In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add additional fonts in AutoCAD. If you've ever opened a drawing and seen warnings about missing SHX fonts, or you just want to expand the fonts available in your text styles, this quick process will get you set up. We will focus specifically on SHX fonts, which are lightweight. AutoCAD native font files commonly used for speed, consistency, and reliable plotting. Start by locating the SHX font file you want to add. This is the file you downloaded or received with a project, and its extension should be .shx. If it came in a compressed archive, make sure it's extracted and ready. Once you've found it, copy the .shx file. Copying here is important so you preserve the original in case you need it elsewhere. Next, you'll place that file into AutoCAD's dedicated fonts folder. On a standard Windows installation, you can find it at C drive, then open Program Files, next open Autodesk, then open AutoCAD Version Scroll to open fonts. The fastest way is to open File Explorer. Select the address bar and paste that path with your version details. If AutoCAD is installed in a custom directory, simply navigate to that location and open its fonts folder. This is the place AutoCAD checks on startup to load SHX fonts. Now paste the .shx file into that fonts folder. Windows may prompt you for administrator permission. Approve it to continue. If you are asked to replace an existing file with the same name, only do so if you are intentionally updating the font. Otherwise, cancel and consider renaming your copy before you paste it to avoid conflicts. With the file in place, restart AutoCAD so it can recognize the new font. Fully close the program and reopen it. A simple restart ensures AutoCAD reloads the fonts directory and makes your SHX available. After launching, your added font is ready to use. You'll see it available wherever you select fonts within text and dimension styles. And any drawings that previously referenced that SHX should display correctly without substitution or missing font warnings. A few closing tips to keep things smooth. Keep a small library of commonly used SHX fonts backed up with your project standards. And try to maintain consistent naming so team members can match your setup. Also, remember that SHX fonts are different from TrueType fonts. This method is specifically for .shx files. That's it.